guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to talk to you about kids chores. Generally you see in my videos all the things that I do, but I do have chores set up for both of my children. So just so you know, I have a almost 15-year-old and a 16-year-old boy and a girl, and I think it's very important for them to have chores, to have things to do, because I can't do everything by myself, especially being that they're so busy with their schedule. With my son plays water polo, my daughter dances, so I'm always pretty much almost every day driving somewhere to practices, or on weekends to tournaments and competitions. So I have developed a system a few years back. Oh gosh, I don't even remember how many years back, and it seems to work. And what I do is every year in September, once we settle into our regular routines and schedules, I look at it again and adjust it based on their schedule. I don't want to overschedule them on the nights that they have lots of activities, you know, a couple hours of swimming or a couple hours of dancing. So they take turns. Someday one does more than the other day because they don't have a practice or whatnot. So like I said, I generally try to be reasonable, even though they might not think I'm being reasonable. So what I've done is I have created a document in my Pages on my Mac, and I save it, and then every year I just go back into it and adjust it according to the schedule. So I have done, and then in September, once I have figured everything out, I print out copies of everything, so that way I give them a copy. I keep a copy for myself in the pantry, so I can refer it to every day. And then I kind of keep a master copy in my home binder like this, so that way in case if anything happens on a computer or whatnot, I have a hard copy as well. So, and I also have it in my cloud, so I don't actually think anything's gonna happen to it. But anyways, so when I put it in my pantry, I like to put it in a page protector, so that way if I need to, I can also just use a wipe off marker and just kind of mark off things that they have done. So just kind of give you an idea, is this is what they get. So it says morning, afternoon, night, and then Thursdays and Fridays. So this consists of things that they have to, that are common sense, and things that are extras than a common sense. So for example, clean breakfast dishes after your breakfast, make your bed, wash and brush your teeth and face. Well, those things you should really be doing regardless. I should not be writing it down, but I do put it down anyways. And then tidy up your room. So I like, when they leave for school, their room to be semi-presentable. And then in the afternoon, so meaning when they come back from school, they have to empty their lunch pails. On Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays, my son has to clean the bird cage because we have a bird. On Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays, he has to empty the dryer and a dishwasher, clean up after himself after dinner, help with dinner cleanup, and then on Monday, Wednesdays, and Sundays, he vacuums. He also is responsible for taking out kitchen garbage every day if there is enough, and then bringing the garbage bins on Thursday. So we put the garbage out, he is responsible in bringing them in. So at nighttime, so this is before he goes to bed or after he comes back from his practice, he's to put his water polo bag, jacket, and clean up any dishes if he has a snack. Make sure that all the dirty laundry is sorted in a hamper, and wipe down the counter after using the washroom and clean up the laundry off the floor. So like I said, a lot of this stuff is common sense, should be doing it anyways, but I do write it down because they always want to pull a fast one on me and say, oh, it wasn't on my list. So, and then Thursday, I generally clean the bathroom for them when they're in school. But if they have a PA day or they're on winter break, March break, summer holidays, I expect them to clean the bathroom. So this just lists things that I divided between the two of them and what each of them has to do. So for example, my son, he needs to clean the toilet and around and outside, all around it, wipe down the bathtub, and just says move everything off and clean the inside and on top of it and on the outside of it. And then he's to vacuum the floor, and my daughter does everything else that's left over. And then on Fridays they're to clean their room, do a deep cleaning of their room, and they have to dust everything, clean the mirror. He says what to use to clean the mirror, and then vacuum the whole room. So I don't think this is too much to ask. For some people it might not be enough. Like I said, they do practice couple hours a day, couple times a week. So and they are in high school, so it's important for them to have downtime and all this stuff. So this is just things that is expected of them. So I have made up one of these for each of them, and then I also have a schedule. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and just tells them what they have to do each day. So they each get one of these, and I also keep one in my binder. And then I also have created a zone cleaning list for them. So this, I have stopped zone cleaning their rooms. I will wash the curtains and I will clean their windows. But the rest of the stuff they have to do. But because they're so busy and they sometimes don't have time to do it, and our weekends are usually packed, jam-packed with activities, I like for them to do zone cleaning over winter break, over March break, and then the first week of summer holidays. So that gives them, it's not as often as I do it, every 6 to 8 weeks, but it is still better than just doing it once a year. So, and then I just say, for example, day 1, clean your nightstand. Day 2, clean your other nightstand. Day 3, clean out your dresser. Day 4, clean out your shelves. Day 5, clean out your desk. So it generally should take them 10-15 minutes to do each. So that way if they want to, they can do all of it in one day. It doesn't really matter, but by day 8, they should be done doing it all. So, and then so it says clean your nightstand, and then underneath it, I list what all things they have to do, because, you know, throw out ripped up socks would be common sense, but to me, and not to them. So this has generally worked pretty good. I still have to argue, and it's not always easy to get them to do stuff, and they will try to come up with excuses, but generally don't touch your electronics until your chores are done. It works pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it maybe helped you out setting up chores for your children. And if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. And if you're brand new to my channel, I would love for you to press that subscribe button. And like I said, thank you so much for watching. And until next time, have a wonderful day.